Low Harbor Township, the Western Berks Water Authority, 91 Water Road. A fire with a chlorine alarm. Station 18, ladder 18, engine 18-1, engine 85, engine tanker 30. Low Harbor Township, number 91 Water Road, the Western Berks Water Authority. Weaver's Bridge Road, at fire alarm with a chlorine alarm, 1456.